guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Hannah and you should... Oh, frick. Sorry, I just moved to a new place. I'm in a basement apartment and I'm sitting right in front of the window, as you can probably see in the reflection. And the landlord came and sprayed the windows for bugs, and so I didn't want to make direct eye contact with him, so I had to run. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the elusive Louis Vuitton key pouch, or key clay, or whatever you want to call it. This is one of the cheapest and the most practical things you can buy from Louis Vuitton, hence why it is always sold out on their website. But luckily, I went to one of the many Louis Vuitton stores they have in Vegas, and they had it there. I've been eyeing this thing for quite a while, but every time I went to the website, it was always sold out. You can put in your email so that they'll notify you when it comes back in stock. I didn't do that, which I should have, but I just kind of forgot about it. But then when I saw that they had it at the Louis Vuitton store, it was just too good to be true. So this currently retails for $215, I believe. And the thing about Louis Vuitton is that the prices have been going up. I got a wallet for my husband. Oh, that's weird to say. I got married last week, so that's why. I got a wallet for my husband for our anniversary, and I had been watching it for a couple months, and over time I think the price went up like $30 or something like that. And this, if I remember correctly, used to be $205 or $210 or something like that, so it definitely went up a little bit. Nonetheless, it's always sold out, so I would recommend putting in your email so that they can notify you when it is available. But let's open it up, shall we? Here's the little box. I did an atrocious job rewrapping it because I looked at it already. So it comes in the little box with the little dust bag. Here it is. So I'm a little bit confused about the material on this because online it says leather, but then some people also say it's just a canvas, like a plasticky material, so I'm not entirely sure. So I got it in the monogram print. That's the one that I like the best. Inside there's just the little chain with the D-ring, and then to open it you just pull it back and then up, so then you can attach your keys to it. I've been using this for probably like half a year now. I got this at Brandy Melville for $5. So I just really like the idea of having my keys and my wallet together, so you can just take them both really easily, and I like how compact it is. So that's why I really wanted to upgrade to this one. There's little papers in here. Okay, so I guess the outside is canvas, and then there's the leather lining on the inside. This is what the inside looks like. It just says Louis Vuitton, Paris. I know a way that people use this for is to put their keys on this ring and then put it inside so that their keys don't scratch the interior of their purse. But I'm not that extra, my purses aren't that nice, and I feel like that makes a lot of extra steps. But I've also seen people put like band-aids and bobby pins and like little things in here too. But honestly, I feel like it's just so perfect as a quick little wallet. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer everything from here to here. Also, sorry about the weird background. I am trying to figure out the best places to film in this apartment, and it's a mess because we are moving everything in and sorting everything out, so this is kind of the best we have right now. Okay, so I have about 9 cards here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in, and then some cash and a frosty tag. Can't forget the frosty tag. It all fit really easily, and actually this one seems to be a little bit more bulky. I don't really know why. Size comparison, this thing's pretty big. This is very, very slim, so you can see how much bigger this one is. But yeah, it looks really nice, and I'm excited to start using it. This video was pretty short, but if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!